Nagpas nga siya. Okay, spin yourself. Say spin to. Ah.
It was my hat went flying.
Punta kami raw sa Spider Park. Kaya malapit na kami. Nagdadakil balitin eh. Nabalitin balitin. Nagdadakil.
Familiar, Daddy?
Ah. Pababa. Maya dito eh. Dati ipagpagnaan eh. So for humans going to Spider Park. Is the lake. Oo. Ayan o. Kitang kita yung malalaking bahay rito. Ayan yung view. Likod nila mayroong lake. Ayan. Pwedeng mag-fishing.
So earlier we went live to the left.
Mas pasam! Bibilisan naman niya. Ay, nagtakkilatin niyo. Makalay niyo. Peso ata eh, kwato yan eh. 40 million nakadakgal. Worth pa na ito eh. Dakgal eh oh. 360 natin. Dito tayo sa malalaking bahay. Si Supuriman. Ay man, it's big house. Ito tawanan niyo. Isa. Hirang yan. Goodbye lang ata. Tawa na yan yung mga napanugan. Yun si madam. Ya, nakapil ng palaya ito yan. Nagkatawa na. Oh yeah. Nabanog ni Supuriman na. Narating din namin yung Spider Park. Yan. Nagdakil nga balay ito yan. Kuha na ito 40 million na kita nga balay. Yan. Presyo ng bahay na yan kuha na 1.2 yung mga bahay na yan. Dating 900 1.2 na ngayon. Ayun yung Spider Park oh. Nagtakil nga pala yun oh. Basta tibala yung mga di kayo kita na. Yun, dito na si Supuriman. Spider Park. Itong paborito niyang laruan eh. Ayos mo exercise pura dayo. Oh yeah, I will push you.
Look, that is the climbing thing. That's the small climbing thing, and this is the circle.
Ano? Makyat ka hanggang sa taas. All the way to the top. Ha?
Mommy, look. You see that waiting? I want to go there.
Ako kanot tas wala eh.
You are turning.
Right? No. Kaya nga spider eh, you can climb. You see?
Can you help me?
You can. Oh, see? You don't need help. You're big. Wow, relax na. Okay, swing mo siya. Parang duyan yan. That swing to. O, ganyan. No, yung back and forth.
It's like relaxing,
Yeah,
right?
it is.
Mommy, look!
Relax ka na.
Wait, wanna see this?
Ayun, si Madam.
I try to stand up.
Hi, Madam. Uli ka na dyan nga to yun. Okay, climb as a spider. All the way to the top, Superiman. Come on.
Ow! My web. My web was...
Kaya nga niya. Almost. Almost there.
I did it once here. I did it once here. You think you believe me because I went here? It's another way. I did it. I went the easy way.
Ay, di nga tuk-tuk eh. Oh, you're stuck.
Think I'm stuck?
No, that's the big hole, oh. You can go down. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Look, this is the easy way. You climb up there, go here, there. Look, look. So there's a big hole. Go
Oh, yeah.
here,
And then?
go there. Oh, look. You think I'm stuck?
Muna.
Look, you see this? I can
Good
just climb down.
job.
I can just climb down.
Yeah.
I want to go to the whale swimming. Can you push me?
I'll push you.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is not that high. Well, but it's like not safety, but it's okay. I'm a height of you. I am the height of you. Now when I'm sitting down. I want to climb there. Wait, you want to see something? I'm upside down.
Oh. Uy, uy, uy. Uy, kaya nagpeso. Good boy.
Ow!
Oh, you are in the wave now. Huh?
I'm inside the web.
Ah, hindi kaya ayaw ni Iman. Okay, go down. Go to the pattern, Iman. Okay?
Wait,
All the way there. You can? Oh, another wave. Wave na to yan. Ayan.
oh, it's
Yes.
my first time doing this.
Oh yeah, go all the way here. Oh.
I want to relax.
Relax daw siya.
Let's go on the plank. Can you see me?
Swing again? Nice.
No, not like that. Like slow. Okay, stop.
Ah, kaya niya. Climb as a spider. Kaya nga spider eh. Spider park. Ah, kaya nga niya. Good boy.
Well, attached to here. Wait, let me get this. Oh yeah, I went there. All the way here. And that's long. Even, oh, I'm gonna tell you something. know those things in camp, like you have a bed but you can swing? Yeah, I went, it's close to them, but also far away. I went all the way here. And now, I'm about to do the crazy. I'm not ready.
Pas nga siya. Okay, spin yourself. So, spin to. Ah.
It was, my hat went flying.
Ipaikot mo ka no. Una na. May hirap na laro yan, no? Umiikot na kwan. Nakahanap siya ng kalaro niya. Umiikot. Nagawit kamay. Nabanog mo lang ni sir. See you again in Spider Park.